Welcome to Get Fit, Get Active.
Hey guys, Get Fit, Get Active, Rachel here. Are you ready? 7 minutes of Gentle Walkfit that is going to inspire you to get up, get motivated, improve your stamina and your mental well-being. Are you ready? If you have just joined us for the challenge, there are so many Get Fit, Get Actives. I'll link to a few here. I'm uploading every single day so you can follow along and do a new workout with me. And that's my aim, is to get you fit, get moving, get active every single day. Walkfit is one of the most popular classes that I teach, and it's indoor walking. You can do it on the spot, in your lounge, out in the garden if you want to, and try and get your steps in. And we're just doing 7 minutes today to get you up and ready. Here we go. Let's begin. Start with a march. Just pump up your arms, pump up your knees. Take your time if this is your first time with me. If you have a step counter on, put it at 0 and just see how many steps you can do in about 6.5 minutes. So these videos all only last for 7 minutes. You have 7 minutes a day to work out with me. I know you do. Good, and march. One more. Here we go. Walk forward. March. Good. Walk back. And hold. March wide for 4. It's a beautiful day. And in this whole challenge, you'll see lots of Walkfit workouts because they are so popular. And I'd love to know how you get on with them. Do one more. March wide. March together. Now with your right leg, take a box step forward and a box step back. There we go. Now we're going to put all these together. Take a walk forwards. Now hold. Walk back. Now hold. March wide for 4. So out, 3, 4 together. One more, wide. Good, together. Take a box step, right leg forward. 2 more with the right leg. One more. Now march. 1, 2, 3, knee. Can you do that with a knee on 3? So you've got to think about the coordination. Walk forward. 1, 2, 3, walk back. Do it again. Walk. Walk it back. Talk to me. Try not to sing. One more. Walk forward. Here we go. From the beginning. Forward. 1, 2, 3, and hold. Good. Walk back. Now hold. Just one more. And hold it. Good. Walk back. Now hold. March it wide for 4. Out. 2, 3 together. Good again. And together. There's your box step. Right leg forward. 2 more with your right leg. Now introduce you to a new move. The 1, 2, 3 knee. 3 and knee. And again. 1, 2, 3 and knee. Keep it going. Walk. 2, 3 and knee. Good, last one, and walk on the spot. 1, take the knee into a tap. 2, 3, and tap. Good, and tap. Now just angle to the corner and just march and hold with your right leg. I'm going to angle into the right corner. This is a rock, 2 walks, walk back, rock step. And I would love to know in the comments how many steps that you managed to do in this workout. And if you do this workout again, you can always put your phone in your pocket and it'll give you a loose idea of how many steps you've done, a rough idea. Good, walk back. And again, rock, then back. Good, one more rock step. Here we go, walk forward. 1, 3 and hold. Good, walk back. Now hold. March out for 4 and in. One more wide. Good, together. Take that box step, right leg forward. Good. And again with the right leg. 1, 2, 3 knee. So 1, 2, 3 knee. Good, and again 1, 2, 3 knee. Keep going. 1, 2, 3 and knee. Good, last one, and knee. Now just march. Now just angle and rock to the corner. rock, walk, walk back. And again, rock down. Good, rock back. Rock forwards and rock back. Do it again, forwards. One more rock. Good, and back. Now we take a toe heel forward, 2 toe heels, new move, and march back, 2, 3, 4. And again, toe heel, 1. Good, walk back, 3, 4. Again, toe heel, 1, 2. Good, walk back, do, 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 do. And again, toe heel, 1. Now walk back. Everything from the top. Are you ready? Here we go. Walk. 1. Hold it. Walk back. Now hold it. Do one more. Forwards. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk back. And you'll notice that all of the series that we are doing, we're not doing any floor-based work. It's all moving, functional training in a standing position. Good, and out. And all of the workouts you'll see are like that for the whole series. One more. Here we go with your box step. Now forward. Box, good, one more. Now 1, 2, 3, knee. 1, 2, 3, knee. Good, and knee. And knee. Just march on the spot. Just turn, angle. Here's your rock step. Walk, walk back. And again, rock down. One more rock step. Good, now toe heel, here we go. Toe heel. Walk back. And again, toe heel and toe, 2. Walk back. Do it again. Again, toe heel. Good, and walk back. Shall we do another one? Let's go. Toe heel. And then walk back. Beautiful. Let's go with a wide march. And together. One more wide march. And together. Are you ready for a walk forward? 1, 2, 3, and hold. We're there. Walk back. And hold. I'm going to walk up to the camera and find out how you've done. How do you feel? How many steps did you manage? I hope you enjoyed that Get Fit, Get Active. Remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment, ring the bell, check me out on live, say hello, and I'll see you in the next video.
Remember to like and subscribe.